Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Suraini, and I will explain the result of the systematic review with a title Reading Comprehension by Using Jigsaw Strategy. The background or rationale behind using the topic is because I had learned to use this method when I was in the 3 semester of college, and I feel the benefit, so I was interested in using this topic. The abstract, the jigsaw strategy is a cooperative learning method that has proven effective in improving student reading skill by dividing the materials and responsibility equality within the group. Students are trained to understand the text, explain the peers, and build understanding collaboratively. This article examines the effectiveness of the jigsaw strategy in the context of reading comprehension based on the data. I use qualitative method from a systematic review of 10 studies by Sinta that are accredited 1 until 4 from 2016 until 2024 in a secondary school setting. Findings show a significant improvement in reading skill as well as a more participatory learning atmosphere. In the introduction, reading comprehension is an essential skill in learning English as a foreign language. It allows students to accept information, understand discourse structure, and improve language aspects such as vocabularies and grammar. By grade 2009, however, many students in Indonesia face difficulty in reading English text due to the lack of effective learning strategies and lack of motivation by Harma 2007. One alternative solution provided in cooperative learning strategy, such as the jigsaw method, which allows students to learn actively and collaboratively this strategy. This strategy not only improves comprehension of text context, but also social skills of cooperation in group by Slavin 1995. The study. Various studies have shown that the use of the jigsaw strategy significantly improving student reading skill. For example, Kurniawan and Fitri 2016 conducts an experiment on high school students in Semarang and saw that the experimental class using the jigsaw strategy obtained an average post test score of 85, much higher than the control class 67. Another study by Khodia and Gunasi on vocational students showed an increased score from 71 to 79 after two learning circle with the jigsaw strategy. The jigsaw strategy is also applied at the junior high school level as conducted by applied of the applied who found that students were better able to understand descriptive text after learned using Jigsaw, although half were still challenges such as coordinated between group members and limited vocabularies. This method encourages students to become a speech and particular pitch of the materials and then teach to members of the whole group, resulting in the effect and interested knowledge transfer. In the study by Biono and Robiasi, students also sought increased motivation and engagement in discussion the main idea and narrative structure of the text. This is one relative picture for the jigsaw strategy. And then before I go to the research finding, I did the inclusion exclusion criteria. And then after the inclusion and exclusion criteria, I make flow chart. This is a flow chart. Results from various studies show the consistent effectiveness of the jigsaw strategy in improving student reading comprehension. Here are some key points. Point number one, improving academic scores. The experimental case saw a significant increase in score after the use of the jigsaw method by Kurniawan Fitri 2016 and Hoiria and Gunarsi 2019. The average pretest and score increased from 52 to 80 in the study of Sumiati. And point number two, increased motivation and participation by Aprilianet dan Abdillah. And point number three, strengthening social and cognitive skill. In point number four, there are challenges in implementation, namely coordinated between group member and lack of the student ability to stand, so that an active role the teach as a facilitator is need to manage group dynamic and provide clear instruction. In the conclusion, the jigsaw strategy has been proven effective in significantly improving student reading skill. In addition to aiding comprehension of text context, the method also encourages social attraction, collaborative skill, and increases learning motivation. Despite implementation challenges, this approach remains relevant as an innovative solution in reading learning at various levels of education in Indonesia. This is a bibliography that I use to to poster, and you can scan to look some article. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.